There's a moment in high summer where you look at your border and you think, gosh, that looks good. It really has come to fruition. We've got the purple of Russian sage, the glimmering seed heads of the golden oat, flowers, and then, oh, right in the middle of it all, convolvulus, bindweed. You don't want to have to make over the entire border, do you? Well, I don't. I've got one patch in my garden where it keeps coming up. So I'm afraid what you have to do is untwine it and pull it out and just keep working your way down there. And during the summer, pulling and pulling and pulling. It weakens it. I mean, you don't get bindweed growing in a lawn. Reason? It's cut off regularly. And just pulling it will eventually weaken it to the point where it becomes less of a problem. But if you possibly can, try and trace it back to where it's growing when you can see the end of it. Here at the front of the border, for instance, there's a patch which I've traced back, and then dig it out, often coming with the perennial it's growing with, and you will see why its common name is devil's guts. The reason you need to get out every last bit is because this is how it spreads. Here's the main root, and it sends off these buds all the way up it, and each one of these will go on a quest to try and infiltrate the rest of your garden. So there are two things you can do really. One is you can just keep plodding along, taking a bit out when you see it and a bit out when you see it. The alternative is in winter to make over your border, take everything out, pull this out from between the roots of your perennials and start again. And if you want to be really assiduous, leave it fallow for a year. Other than that, do what most gardeners keep doing, me included, and just keep on pulling whenever you see it. It's a little tinker, really.